The Uphold Auto Invest program is a feature that allows users to automatically invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals in a portfolio of their choice. To get started, users need to create an account on Uphold and fund it with their preferred currency. The first step is to choose a portfolio, which can be a pre-made one or a custom one created by the user. Uphold offers a range of pre-made portfolios, each with its own investment strategy and risk level. Users can browse through these portfolios and select the one that aligns with their investment goals and risk tolerance. Once a portfolio is selected, users can set up the Auto Invest feature. This involves specifying the amount of money to be invested and the frequency of the investments. For example, a user can choose to invest $100 every week or $500 every month. The Auto Invest program will then automatically transfer the specified amount from the user's account to the chosen portfolio at the designated intervals. This way, users can build wealth over time without having to manually make investments. It is essential to note that the Uphold Auto Invest program does not guarantee returns, and investments can fluctuate in value. Users should carefully review the terms and conditions of the program and assess their own financial situation before investing. To maximize the benefits of the Auto Invest program, users should start early, be consistent, and take a long-term approach to investing. It is also crucial to monitor the performance of the portfolio and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, the Uphold Auto Invest program is a convenient and efficient way to invest in a portfolio of choice. By following these steps and best practices, users can make the most of this feature and work towards achieving their financial goals.